Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to go do another wig tutorial. Stay tuned. Right now I'm just placing down the wigs and I'm pinning each side of the wig down and clipping the hair out of the way. Right now I'm just pushing out the baby hairs away from the front of the wig. Even though it's already pre-plucked, I like to go in and pluck it a bit more just so it makes the frontal look a little bit more real. So right now I'm grabbing my comb with the blade placed in the middle of it, and I'm just going ahead and cutting up the baby hairs a bit just to make it a little shorter and easier to make edges. Now I'm going in with my comb and making a middle part because that's the style I want for this wig. And then I'm going to go in with the tweezers and pluck it a bit more just so that the part looks a little bit real and more like scalp. So I went ahead and laid down my edges, and now I'm placing a hairnet over it with all the hair pinned back, just so that I can flip it over and spray it with some spray tan, Sally Hansen spray tan, which I'll put the name down in the video. And I'm gonna go over it with also some foundation, just to make the scalp look more like my head. So now that it's flipped over and pinned down, I can spray it with the spray tan. And again, I'm showing you in the video with the Sally Hansen Skin Tan. After blow drying it for a bit, I'm now going in with an LA Girl Pro foundation to my skin tone, and I'm going over the spray tan just so that it can be more my color. So with this hair tutorial, I decided to do the bald cap method for the first time. And so right here, I've already used the Got To Be glue and sprayed down the wig cap. And now I'm just cutting it to my head shape. So right here, I'm going back in with the glue over the parts that are lifted up and just making sure that they stay down and really secured to my scalp. And then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer while I'm pushing it down with my comb, just to ensure that it stays down where I want it to stay. Now I'm going ahead and cutting the other side of the wig cap. Right after cutting the wig cap, I went ahead and put 3 layers of Bold Hold Active Glue on the edges of the wig cap, and now I'm placing the wig on my head, making sure it's secured at the back. Now that it's secure at the back of the wig, I'm pushing the wig forward to make sure that it's on my head properly. After cutting the lace in the wig and the glue drying up, I went in with the foundation again and went over the lace just to ensure that it blends properly with my scalp. So now I'm just sectioning out the baby hair from the front of the wig just to go in properly with the foundation and just cover up the scalp even more to make it look like my skin tone. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you love it. Bye guys.